So your government purchase card, or your GPC, is your government credit card that allows you as a marketing NCO to make purchases for the battalion. Now those purchases can include personal promotion items, or PPIs. Those are going to be like your backpacks, your lanyards, your swag, t-shirts, things that the recruiters are going to be able to give and support the high schools and colleges and other events within the community. Sometimes in a high school, a student might be nervous to approach a career counselor or recruiter. So if he's going for the lanyard, that's kind of an icebreaker, because the recruiter can now say, hey, what grade are you in? Hey, what do you think about doing after you graduate? So the applicant can have the lanyard in the hand, they can play with it, and he can have a nice conversation with it, just based on the fact that that applicant was interested in the lanyard, or a t-shirt, or a sticker, or pens and pencils, anything of that sort. Honestly, a recruiter would have those promotional items or swag at any event they perform, whether it's a high school, whether it's a college, a county or state fair. Those act as icebreakers and attention getters for people, and they can learn more about the National Guard while they're getting that backpack or that lanyard. The government purchase card is just a regular credit card. However, we do have a lot of stipulations and guidelines that we have to live by in order to utilize them. We do have a yearly budget. We do have a certain set of money that we can spend per month, per quarter, and per year. So we have to learn what those guidelines are. We have to learn how to use it appropriately and how to be fiscally and financially responsible.